So during a hearing test, we want to evaluate the medical health of your ears and as well as your ability to hear and understand spoken language. So we'll go through and do several tests to look at the ability for you to hear a beep and click a button, but we also want to look at speech comprehension. How well do you do in a quiet environment and a noisy environment understanding spoken language? We take all that and put it together to get a better picture of what your hearing looks like.